Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Canadian County and central Oklahoma, eastern Caddo County and southwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Grady County and central Oklahoma, until 11:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 11:03 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southwest of Anadarko, moving north at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and $half size hail.
This didn't go off.
Radar indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Anadarko, Binger, Gracemont, Lakipa, Kogar, Lake Chickasha, Cedar Lake, and Stecker. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National...
Well then, that was a big surprise.
What's that?
This thing just went off for a severe thunderstorm warning as well as that, but the Eton Zone Guard did not. I don't know how.
Probably hadn't been programmed right.
Probably that's the problem.
Moving north at 45 miles